Hey everybody, it's Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser, where I go on a weekend cruise just about every weekend, and wanted to come to you now that there's more people sailing, the capacity has gone up. We have a lot more people on the ships, and if you remember pre-COVID, the elevators were always a sticking point or a pain point for some of us. So I wanted to come and just, share some elevator etiquette on how we can make sure these elevators are running as efficiently as possible. Now, the first thing I'll show you is that if you look behind me, it says that no more than 5 people should be in that elevator at a time. I'll tell you, that is not followed by cruise passengers, and it is not enforced by the cruise line. Make sure that you are trying to wear your mask. If you don't wear it anywhere else on the ship, the elevator is a really close and tight spot. Make sure that you're wearing it. So here on Royal Caribbean's Freedom of the Seas, when you press the call button for the elevator, you're gonna hear a ding when the elevator is coming close. So you're gonna see, you hear the bell, but then the button pops up saying that this is gonna be my down elevator. You're not gonna actually see an arrow until the elevator arrives. So when you hear the ding, make sure that you're looking and trying to figure out which elevator is actually coming. Royal, if you're listening to this, if there's a way that the ding and the arrow could show up at the same time, that would be fantastic versus us having to guess what elevator is gonna be picking us up. This will allow you to then get into place to wait for your elevator to arrive. Now, the correct places to wait for your elevator to arrive are gonna be on either side of that elevator. So if I'm waiting for this one behind me, I'm gonna come stand over here to the side, or I'm gonna come stand over here on this side and politely wait for the people to get off of the elevator. Do not stand right here at the very front of the elevator waiting for the doors to open. If there are people there, you're not gonna be able to let them out. And so that causes the elevators to not operate as efficiently as possible. So I'm gonna wanna come into this elevator, hopefully from standing on the side, and then I'm going to look above the elevator to see where it is I wanna go. So if you're not familiar with ships, this is the best locator to tell you where you want to go. Select from the panel on either side of the elevator on what floor, trying to select the correct one, and then step to the back of the elevator to enjoy the ride on the way to where you're going, to that specific floor. Once you get there, make sure that you're saying simply, "Excuse me," to the people in front of you. They may not realize that this is your floor. So after that, my doors are closing. After that, you'll just simply step out of the elevator, and hopefully nobody is standing in your way, so that is a smooth transition for you to get out because you stood on the side and now these people are also standing on the side. All right, everybody, hopefully this makes your elevator journey much, much easier on Freedom of the Seas and other Royal Caribbean lines. So this is Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser, hoping to see you on a weekend cruise soon.